Welcome back to the channel. If your car's been feeling a little sluggish lately, or you're seeing that dreaded check engine light, it might just be time to give your catalytic converter some TLC. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners for 2025, the ones that actually work and are trusted by mechanics and DIYers alike. And don't worry, I've dropped all the links down below so you can easily grab the one that fits your ride and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Let's jump right into it. Kicking off at number 5, we have the CATACLEAN Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. This one's a hidden gem, perfect if you're looking for something simple and effective. It doesn't just clean your converter, it also eliminates those funky exhaust smells we all love to hate. Super easy to use, and works great for routine maintenance without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and foul exhaust odors with our powerful catalytic converter cleaner and deodorizer. Specially formulated for gasoline engines, this advanced cleaner is your all-in-one solution for restoring your vehicle's power, efficiency, and overall driving experience. Packed into a convenient 16 fluid ounces bottle, this potent fuel additive goes straight to work deep inside your system, cleaning your catalytic converter, EGR valve, combustion chamber, and oxygen sensors. Over time, carbon deposits and grime can clog up these critical components, leading to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even triggering that dreaded check engine light. But with just one treatment, you can help eliminate stubborn buildup and restore your car's performance to new levels. Why you'll love it: targets multiple parts of your fuel and exhaust system, not just the catalytic converter. Neutralizes unpleasant exhaust smells, leaving your ride fresher and cleaner. Simply pour the cleaner into your fuel tank before filling up, no complicated tools or mechanics required. Helps prevent costly repairs and extends the life of your engine components. Experience smoother acceleration, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Whether you're preparing for an emissions test, trying to squeeze a few more years out of your vehicle, or just want that new car feel again, this cleaner delivers professional-grade results without the professional price tag. Compatible with all gasoline engines, from compact cars to SUVs and light trucks, it's the smart choice for drivers who demand peak performance without the hassle. At number 4, it's the fan-favorite CATACLEAN. This one's a beast, not just for your catalytic converter, but for your entire fuel and exhaust system. It's been proven to lower emissions, restore performance, and even boost your fuel economy. If you want a cleaner that's a one-stop shop for your engine's health, CATACLEAN is the real deal. Packed in a powerful 16-ounce bottle, CATACLEAN is scientifically formulated to clean, protect, and restore the performance of your entire fuel and exhaust system. Tired of dealing with stubborn check engine lights, poor fuel economy, or failing emissions tests? Meet your solution: CATACLEAN Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Designed for gasoline engines, CATACLEAN targets the root of performance problems, breaking down harmful carbon buildup in your catalytic converter, diesel particulate filter, DPF, oxygen sensors, and fuel injectors. The result? Smoother driving, better mileage, and a much higher chance of passing that critical emissions test. Key benefits you'll love: CATACLEAN reduces carbon deposits that can trigger sensor faults in engine codes, helping turn off that dreaded light. Need to get your car certified? CATACLEAN improves emissions by restoring your exhaust system's efficiency. Extend the life of your catalytic converter, DPF filter, and oxygen sensors, saving you from costly repairs. Enjoy better acceleration, improved fuel economy, and reduced engine hesitation. Simply pour CATACLEAN into your fuel tank before refuel, no tools, no mechanic, just real results. Whether you're driving a commuter sedan, a heavy-duty truck, or even a performance vehicle, CATACLEAN helps keep your engine running cleaner and stronger. It's trusted by drivers and mechanics worldwide for its proven ability to cut emissions and restore system health, all without the need for invasive procedures or expensive parts. Use CATACLEAN every few thousand miles as part of your regular maintenance routine, or apply it before inspections to ensure your vehicle is running as clean as possible. Coming in hot at number 3, WILTRONE Complete. This cleaner goes the extra mile by targeting the entire system: fuel, exhaust, and emissions that's perfect if you're dealing with tough carbon buildup or trying to pass an emissions test. Plus, it works wonders for both gasoline and hybrid engines. If your vehicle's performance has been lagging, your fuel economy slipping, or you're worried about passing emissions tests, it's time to give your engine the treatment it deserves with WILTRONE Complete. Packed in a generous 16.9-ounce bottle, WILTRONE 4720 CAT Complete is designed to clean, restore, and protect your car's most vital components. This advanced formula works throughout your entire system, from the fuel injectors to the catalytic converter, breaking down stubborn carbon buildup that can cause poor performance, high emissions, and top reasons you'll love it, helps clean and rejuvenate catalytic converters, restoring their ability to reduce harmful emissions. Greatly improves exhaust system efficiency, helping you pass emissions tests with confidence. Cleans fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and oxygen sensors for smoother performance and better gas mileage. By improving fuel combustion and reducing drag on your engine, you'll save money at the pump and avoid expensive repairs down the road. Just pour into your gas tank before filling up, no tools, no hassle, no mechanic required. Ideal for gasoline-powered vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, and even hybrids, WILTRONE Complete offers a simple, affordable way to maintain your engine's health and performance. It's specially formulated to treat tough deposits that regular fuel system cleaners leave behind, making it one of the most complete solutions on the market today. Whether you're prepping for an emissions inspection, looking to boost your ride's power, or just want to extend the life of your catalytic converter and exhaust system, WILTRONE Complete has your back. At number 2, meet OXYCAT. This cleaner is specially designed to target both the catalytic converter and the oxygen sensors, two key players in your car's performance. It's like sending your car on a detox retreat. If your ride's been stuttering, or your MPG's been dropping, OXYCAT could be your game changer. Specially designed to clean critical components like the oxygen sensors, catalytic converter, and turbocharger, OXYCAT is the powerful formula your vehicle needs to stay strong, efficient, and emission compliant. Over time, harmful carbon deposits and soot build up inside your exhaust system, robbing your vehicle of power, increasing emissions, and potentially leading to costly repairs. OXYCAT tackles these issues head-on by breaking down stubborn deposits without the need for disassembly or expensive mechanical work. Why OXYCAT stands out: targets and cleans oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, EGR valves, and turbochargers, restoring their efficiency and performance. Reduces harmful exhaust emissions, helping your vehicle stay eco-friendly and pass emissions inspections with ease. Regular use prevents the buildup of soot in deposits, reducing the risk of costly repairs and part replacements. Cleaner systems mean better throttle response, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel economy. Just add it to your fuel tank, no tools, no special skills, no complicated processes. Perfect for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, OXYCAT works proactively to keep your vehicle running like new. It's especially effective for turbocharged engines, where carbon buildup can quickly reduce performance and reliability. Using OXYCAT regularly not only saves you money on future repairs but also ensures that your car remains environmentally responsible and legally compliant when it's time for inspections. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or a car enthusiast, OXYCAT gives you the confidence to drive knowing your engine is protected and performing at its peak. And finally, drumroll please. Taking the number 1 spot is the Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a whole system designed to tackle even the toughest clogs and residue. Whether you've got a high-mileage workhorse or a weekend cruiser, this kit delivers pro-level results right at home. It's powerful, easy to use, and worth every penny if you're serious about keeping your ride in top shape. Designed with cutting-edge cleaning technology, this all-in-one kit delivers a deep, powerful cleanse that restores your catalytic converter's efficiency, improves engine performance, and helps you avoid expensive repairs. Over time, harmful carbon deposits and soot can clog your catalytic converter, EGR valve, and exhaust system, leading to sluggish performance, increased emissions, and even triggering the check engine light. Our advanced formula breaks down these stubborn deposits, leaving your system clean, clear, and running at peak performance without the need for costly replacements. Why drivers trust our new technology cleaner, specially engineered to dissolve even the toughest carbon buildup inside the catalytic converter and exhaust system. Comes with everything you need for a hassle-free cleaning experience, no special tools or mechanical skills required. Restores lost horsepower, improves throttle response, and enhances overall driving smoothness. Helps reduce harmful emissions, improving your car's environmental impact and making it easier to pass emissions tests. Protects your vehicle from expensive repairs and extends the life of critical engine components. Designed for use on all gasoline engines, from cars and trucks to SUVs and hybrids. Whether you're trying to clear a check engine light, prepping for an emissions test, or simply want to keep your ride running smoothly, the Catalytic Converter Cleaner Solution Kit is your go-to choice. Thanks to its new generation technology, you get professional-grade cleaning results right in your own driveway. So there you have it, the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners for 2025. Taking care of your converter isn't just good for your car, it's better for your wallet and the planet too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome car care tips, and drop a comment telling me which cleaner you're trying first.